What is up, guys? Chase here with another tutorial, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to turn on and use the AirPods Pro noise cancelling feature. So if you'd like to do this in the settings rather than on the device itself, I'll show you that first. We'll open our settings and we'll go to our Bluetooth settings here. When we see our AirPods Pro, you can see my Chase's AirPods Pro. We are connected already. I'm going to click the little eye, and the noise control is how we will turn off and on the noise cancellation. So if I'd like these to just operate as normal earbuds without playing any music at all or hearing any sounds, we can go ahead and select off. And if we would like the AirPods to pass through some of the external noise that's happening outside of us, we can select transparency. I prefer noise cancellation, so let's go ahead and select noise cancellation. Now I tapped those with my finger on the phone, but with this screen right here, I'll show you exactly what happens when you press and hold the stem of your AirPods Pro. On the right stick, it can be either one, but on the right stick, I'm going to press and hold the stem of the AirPods Pro, and let's see what happens to our device. It switches from noise cancellation to transparency. And if I'd like to switch back, let me just press and hold again. And there you go. That is how you turn on and use the AirPods Pro noise cancelling.